you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun. Now your sugar makes me sick.
This is where it all began, Puddin'. You motherfucker.
And now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fear. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you.
It was the closure I needed. A fresh start. A chance to be my own woman.
Goodness, I've tried to be kind, but I was just late. Don't it die, wearing a fake smile.
But I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation. This is our story. And I'm telling it, so I'll start where I fucking want. Meet the cop.
Guy 50 says it was turf war.
Not him.
Well, as always, you're wrong, Monroe.
Her, Renee Montoya. Raised on 80s cop shows, she's always saying cheesy shit like,
There was only one shooter. Inside. This guy shot out the glass. Serrano. Yo, hey. Have ballistics check for a bullet in one of those parked cars.
10 years ago, she broke a career-making case.
Did I stutter?
But her partner at the time took all the credit. So while he made captain, she got stuck at detective level with this idiot.
Okay, you think one guy got all four?
Wait, shh, shh, shh.
I'm just saying, we got 4 dead bodies here, you know, one guy.
I'm trying
bullet
to
holes.
work.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, work. Go ahead.
The shooter got close before drawing. 6 rounds. 2 for each of these 3.
Mind you, that. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Good old Angelina, she's a princess.
Whoa, hey.
Look at this. What's that, Halloween?
Hey, how you doing?
And it wasn't about them. It's all about this guy right here.
Do you know who I am?
You fucking bitch.
This arrow through his throat? She wanted him to die slowly.
She.
We got a hair. And he's got a new assassin.
Who does?
Roman Bouvet Sionis. This is Montoya. What the hell was that? Wow.
Detective.
Yeah.
Found this necklace.
Holy shit. Good work, officer.
What is it?
Harley Quinn and the Joker broke up.
What?
This was their spot. She just publicly updated her relationship status. Harley Quinn just called open season on herself. She did not think this one through.
Yeah, no shit, I didn't think it through. I'm about to learn that a lot of people in this city want me dead. And at the top of that list is this guy.
Mr. Keogh and his lovely wife and daughter. You kind of forced my hand here. Gotta say, I'm a little disappointed. I gave you a great pitch, didn't I? And I thought we could build something beautiful together. I thought we could be family.
I'm gonna set you free.
What about her?
I think we can let her go. I mean, this is a pretty loud fucking shit show of a message. baby. Oh, don't cry.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is that a snot bubble? Ew, gross. Oh, I've changed my mind. Peel it off.
The whack job with the penchant for peeling faces is Roman Sionis, aka Black Mask. The fact that he wants me dead hasn't yet hit my radar. See, I was halfway across town, hungover, and thinking about breakfast. Egg, bacon, American cheese, soft, toasted, buttered roll. Just a dash of hot sauce. Not too much, Sal. Want to taste the cheese? What a way to start my new life. With the perfect egg sandwich. You're a lifesaver, Sal. And I'm good for the 75 cents, okay? I promise. That's all the money I got in the world, and it's so worth it. I don't know if it's the stray Armenian arm hair or the fact that his cheese slices are always 6 months out of date, but no one makes an egg sandwich like Sal. I mean it, Sal. No one.
Deeper and deeper in love with you, I'm falling. Sweeter and sweeter, your tender words of love keep calling. Eager and eager.
Freeze! Gotham PD!
Yeah, I don't think so.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It had been 6 short hours since my little stun at Ace Chemicals announced to the world that Mr. J and I were donezo. The immunity I'd enjoyed for so long was gone. Cops who never would have dared come after me before were suddenly doing this. And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. Turns out, I wronged a lot of people. Finally. And then, we're gonna get through this, okay? Tragedy struck. It took losing something I truly love for me to see that the target on my back was bigger than I thought. Freeze! With the walls closing in around me, I made a carefully calculated, highly strategic move.